What are the risks of fuel tank explosions in vehicles exposed to extreme high temperature and in this summer? And are there any measures that the vehicle owners should implement to minimize this damage? It doesn't happen too often, but in extreme temperatures, we just want to be
Yeah.
everybody to be absolutely, careful about it.
Absolutely, and I think again, it's not something that happens too often, as you rightly mentioned, but the end impact can be significant. So, I think what I could mention in among the several factors that can contribute, first of all, to what can lead to car catching fire, there can be ruptures in the exhaust pipe. There can be potential radiator malfunctions. There may also be in the fuel that you're adding, you're potentially adding some essential additives not in the right proportion. There can be something that's going wrong with the electrical circuitry of the car as well. And there are sometimes, you end up using sometimes aftermarket lower quality accessories, which may also cause a short circuit in the car and can potentially, in the worst case, lead to a accident. So in terms of just ensuring that, first, it's important to know what can cause it, so you can also take remedial measures. So you should just look out for these. You should ensure that, the car is also always properly ventilated. It's essential that, you also try avoiding smoking as well as open flames near the car, and just monitor any dashboard warnings. And I think lastly, there are certain cases where we see the fuel cap that is, put onto the car, that is an incorrect fuel cap, which is not very compatible. So that can actually lead to some fuel vapor leakage as well. So just ensure that, you have the right fuel cap in place as well.
Also, I remember somebody telling me long time back that in summer months you normally fill up petrol maybe in the evening time band when the sun is a little down because the temperatures are a little down, and also the expansion in the fuel tank as such, it's not going to be exorbitant or it's not going to be that much as when you are filling it up, and also not fill the fuel up to the brim as well.
Absolutely. I think that's a very important call out. Early mornings, evenings, night times, those would be preferable if you're able to schedule your fueling up. I think that's a very good call out as well.